Hey guys! Today we are going to talk about the innovative supplement for ear relief, the Cortexi supplement, but first I need to alert you to the website you are going to. Buy Cortexi, as this supplement is only sold on the official website. And to help you, the link is here in the description of this video and also fixed in the first comment. Now let's go. Tinnitus, characterized by persistent noises in the ears, can be a debilitating condition affecting the quality of life of many people. Additionally, those who suffer from hearing loss, especially hearing aid users, face additional challenges. However, the search for effective solutions led to the development of the Cortexi supplement, which stands out as an innovative approach to treating tinnitus and supporting hearing health. Causes of tinnitus and hearing loss. Before exploring Cortexi, it is crucial to understand the underlying causes of tinnitus. Often associated with exposure to loud noises, aging, and specific medical conditions, tinnitus can lead to progressive hearing loss. Those who wear hearing aids may also experience tinnitus, further aggravating their hearing concerns. Cortexi, comprehensive support for tinnitus treatment. The Cortexi supplement is formulated with a unique combination of natural ingredients aimed at relieving tinnitus and promoting hearing health. Its innovative formula aims to not only provide immediate relief but also address the underlying causes of tinnitus. Support for hearing aid and cochlear implant users. For those who rely on hearing aids and cochlear implants, Cortexi offers valuable support. The formula is designed to complement these devices, providing a fuller listening experience and reducing the intensity of associated tinnitus. Replacing traditional remedies. Unlike tinnitus medications that can have unwanted side effects, Cortexi offers a safe, natural approach to relieving symptoms. This makes it an attractive choice for those seeking gentler, more effective alternatives. Positive reviews and recognition as best supplement. User reviews confirm Cortexi's effectiveness in relieving tinnitus and providing hearing support. Its reputation as the best tinnitus supplement is backed by a growing base of satisfied customers. Natural and vitamin supplement. Cortexi stands out as a natural and vitamin supplement offering a holistic approach to hearing health. Its ingredients are carefully selected to provide the essential nutrients needed to maintain optimal hearing function. Cortexi represents renewed hope for those facing the challenge of tinnitus and hearing loss. Its comprehensive approach, combined with positive reviews, solidifies its position as a leading supplement on the market. By choosing Cortexi, individuals can take meaningful steps toward alleviating tinnitus and promoting lasting hearing health.